Srinivas Ramanujan is one of the world's greatest mathematician. He was born 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Madras. His father Srinivas Iyengar, clerk in a cloth store. His mother was housewife. He was born in a poor family. Srinivas Ramanujan's family moved to Konambakam, attended several primary schools where he achieved a distinction in his primary school examinations. Ramanujan created his own path into mathematics at the age of 13. He focused on the sum of geometric and arithmetic series. He paid more attention on mathematics so that he was failed his formal education in remaining subjects. And then he was joined in Madras University. He invented many theories and most famous one of our followed Ramanujan estimated, Ramanujan set theory, etc. Ramanujan lived just for 32 years, but during his span, he produced 4,000 formulas and theorems. 1729, the Hartley Ramanujan number, is the smallest number which can be expressed as the sum of two different cubes in two different ways. He was such a great mathematician, genius thoughts, was expert in interpretation of dreams and astrology. Ramanujan was elected Fellow of the Royal Society, London in 1918. He was the first Indian to be elected a Fellow of Trinity College. Ramanujan was married to a 9-year-old girl called Janaki Amman. Ramanujan done a clerk's job at Madras Port Trust in 1913. He came across an article written by Professor Hartley. Ramanujan stayed at Cambridge for 4 years, and during his period, he produced many papers of great mathematical significance in collaboration with his mentor. Phenomenal and exceptional genius was recognized all over the academic world. Ramanujan was the first Indian to be elected a Fellow of Trinity College. Was elected Fellow of the Royal Society, London in 1918. He was such a great mathematician and genius person. These qualities he had inherited from his mother. He made a great achievement in the field of mathematics, analysis, number theory, continued fractions, and infinite series. Every year, 22nd December, we celebrate National Mathematics Day, the birthday of the Srinivas Ramanujan.